Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Guess what I got? Yes, my Boxycharm premium box just got here. So I had to get on camera and show you all what I got for the month of March. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. Just to tell you a little bit about Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty product subscription. And they have 3 different boxes. They have the base box, which is $25 a month. And in that base box, you get up to 5 beauty products. And then we have the premium box, which I got today. And this will run you $35 a month, and you get anywhere from 6 to 7 beauty products. And our third box is Boxyluxe, and that's the box that you will get quarterly, and it is $50 every quarter. And inside that box, you'll get anywhere from 8 to 10 beauty products. So let's go ahead on with this unboxing. This is how the premium box looks. And all it says is Boxycharm, a simple black box. On the opposite side, it has your address and everything. Okay. And this is how it comes this month for the month of March. It is showing Boxycharm featuring Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Yes, this whole box for the month of March has nothing but Fenty Beauty products in it. Okay? Let's see. Okay, we got a card like we always do, and it says Boxycharm featuring Boxycharm / Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And this card just tells us everything that we have inside the box. And in this box, we got 6 products. Okay? The first thing I see in this box is Match Stick. And this is in the color Rum. Okay, let me open it up and let y'all see what it looks like. And it says on the sheet, because like I said, the sheet tells you exactly what's in the box and give you a little breakdown about it. And it says Matchstick Shimmering Skin Sticks. It's a magnetic makeup stick in a long wear light as air shimmering formula to highlight, brush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Okay, and this retails for $25. Okay, this is the product. Love her packaging. And this is the shade. Let me see, can I swatch it? Pretty. The next product that we have in this box is her Plush Matte Lipstick. And this is in the color PMS. Okay. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is the color. Okay. Let's open this up. Like I said, I love her packaging. What is look like. And look how she got the FB in there. I love that. Let me like swatch it. Ooh, okay. And that's what the color looks like. It says matte plush lipstick, all moods, all skin tones, all day. It's a pocket perfect lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish. And this retails for $18. Okay, Fenty. Because I didn't have any of her lipsticks. The next thing I see in the box is her Killawatt highlight. Okay, and this one is in the color Trophy Wife. I don't know, is everybody going to get the exact same thing? Because this box does not have a variation or anything. So I don't know if everyone's going to get the exact same colors or what. So if you got this premium box, let me know what did you get in your box. And this is the color. Let's see. Trophy Wife. Okay, I'm going to swatch this. Here. Now, if you can't stand all that gold shimmer on your cheek, you can always try it as a eyeshadow. Love her packaging. Just love it, love it, love it. The next product that I see in this box is her gloss balm, and this is in Diamond Milk. Oh, you gotta see that Diamond Milk. Okay, and this says Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer, the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it look. Okay, and this retails for $19. And this is what it looks like. Okay. That's it right there. Beautiful. And what I have on my lips now is also Fenty. And I have on this one. And this is Fussy. Let me just swatch Fussy for y'all. See that? So I got Fussy on now. I love her lip balms. Love them, love them, love them. Okay. 2 more products. The next product I see is Invisimatte blotting paper. So we all already know what it looks like so far as the packaging. And this is the blotting paper. And it says ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up when needed. It's a refillable mirror compact that looks like a lipstick case. And this retails for $16. And this is what this looks like. Comes like this. Let me see. Open it up. This is the paper. This is the container. Love that. Open it up and you see that. Let me see. See that. And then if you look on this side, that's the mirror part of it. let me see. And then you open, let me see. Then you open this part up also. There you go. So you open that up. And then you stick this down in there. Okay? All right, Fenty. Like the packaging as always. The last thing we have in the box is Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. And it has 16 richly pigmented shadows. And this retails for $29. And this is the packaging. And on the back, it has the colors and the name. Let's see. Open it up. Beautiful packaging. There you go. Again, colors, the names of the colors is on the back. Open it up. Of course, it got a big mirror. And this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Now, I have the Shimmer one. The one that's all shimmer. Let me show you all what that one looks like. Okay. See, it's just like the other one. And this is what it looks like. Yep. So, I can play in both of them. And this one is called Galaxy. And like I said, this one is Moroccan Spice. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. Show it to you all again, side by side, the packaging. Oh. Okay, so the total for this month's premium box is $143. Now, where can you beat that at? $143 for $35. All you paying is $35 and you get $143 worth of products. You can't beat that nowhere. And the products that you got in this month's box featured nothing but Fenty Beauty. Tell me where you can beat that at. Just tell me. Nowhere, of course. I will leave all the information in the description section of this video. So all you have to do is click on the link down there and check it out. And decide, is this something that you would like to invest in? I love my Boxycharm. So that's the only monthly subscription beauty box that I have. I love my Boxycharm. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And again, if you're getting Boxy Premium, let me know what the name of some of the products that you get. Like I said, I think we're going to basically get the same thing. The only thing will be different will be the lipstick color. I'm assuming that's the only difference. The lipstick and the highlighter stick. I think those two you will get in different colors. And before we go, comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know if you all would like to see a full face of using nothing but Fenty Beauty products. If so, comment and I will do that. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.